check out our YouTube channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up a Shopify Flow to automatically tag your COD customers. So what we will be doing is we are using the Shopify Flow app from Shopify App Store, and this is a free app from Shopify side. So I also attach the link of this app in the description. And once we install the app, then you can open the Flow app, right? Then you can create a new workflow, and we are selecting a trigger. So I'm selecting when any order is created, right? Then we check a condition. We check a condition of payment gateway. So payment gateway is the name people are using in Shopify Flow. When payment gateway, which includes the name, right? Includes the name cash on delivery. This is the most common payment gateway, right? When it includes a cash on delivery, then what we'll be doing is we add an action. We add a customer tag. Okay, we add the customer tag. For example, you can add a COD customer, right? This is how you can make the flow, and you can also name this flow from here. You can remove this how to, and can add it like Shopify Flow to automatically tag the COD customers, and you can make this flow active. Right now, the flow is active. When any order is created from now on, when the flow is active, then if they check the payment gateway is cash on delivery or not, then that they will tag those customers COD customers, right? So this is how you can easily make a flow to tag a shop COD customer. If you find this video helpful, please do share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.